Assalamualaikum. Review of Zippo wallet, camo color, gray. This is the box, and this is a leather, real leather. This is the Zippo. Bismillah, we open. Comes with catalog. And it contains, I think, information about all Zippo wallets, dimensions, and things. This is the wallet. I prefer it with a coin container, of course. It's real leather. It's lightweight. Feels good in the hand. Smell really nice. It has one container for currencies here. Let's see the dimension. It's 9 centimeters by 11. It's a good size. And I'm recording with my phone. It shows this as orange, I see, but it's actually red. It's not really orange, it's red, and it's really good red. I like it, and I'm going to replace it with my Caterpillar wallet. This is much softer. I like the texture. I'm just changing because of the color, and it's been with me maybe 12 years or more. I think 15 years actually. I really don't remember. The wallet. The good size of this, it has like a bigger for cards, and it has this to split the coins, the currencies. And this one actually has a tag inside. This one doesn't contain any tags. That's strange. There is no tag at all inside. Yes, thanks for watching.